Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to explore the world of hair growth and two popular solutions, rosemary oil and minoxidil. We'll be discussing their attributes, their similarities, differences, and whether you can use both or if rosemary oil might be a worthwhile alternative to minoxidil. Rosemary oil is an essential oil derived from the rosemary herb. It's known for its pleasant aroma and has been used for centuries for various medicinal and cosmetic purposes. In recent years, it has gained attention as a potential hair growth promoter. Minoxidil, on the other hand, is a synthetic drug commonly found in over-the-counter hair loss treatments. It's clinically proven to promote hair growth and has been a go-to solution for many people dealing with hair loss. Recent studies have indicated that rosemary oil may have similar effects to 2% minoxidil. These studies suggest that rosemary oil can improve hair thickness and density, making it a promising natural alternative for hair growth. Rosemary oil has several benefits. It's a natural solution with a pleasant fragrance, making it an attractive option for those who prefer non-chemical treatments. It can also improve scalp health, reduce dandruff, and strengthen hair follicles. Minoxidil, on the other hand, is backed by extensive scientific research and is a proven solution for hair regrowth. It's effective for both men and women, and its results are widely documented. If you decide to use minoxidil, there is nothing stopping you from using rosemary oil as well. Since minoxidil has a side effect that makes your scalp a bit dry, it can even be very good to add rosemary oil to your routine to keep the scalp moistured. For those who want to steer clear of minoxidil due to potential side effects or a preference for natural remedies, rosemary oil is definitely worth trying. It's a low-risk option and has shown promise in promoting hair growth. Just be patient. Results may take some time to become noticeable. In conclusion, both rosemary oil and minoxidil have their own unique attributes and benefits. While minoxidil is a clinically proven solution, rosemary oil offers a natural alternative with a pleasant fragrance. You can use them separately or even together, depending on your preferences and goals. If you're considering rosemary oil, give it a try and monitor its effects over time. Remember, what works best for one person may not work the same way for another, so it's important to find the solution that suits you. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. We'll see you in the next video.